Hey folks, it's Lisa from TwoCreateAWebsite.com. I was compelled to make this video because I've noticed a large number of people, and this has been going on for quite some time, but I just saw a message in a forum that I was just reading, and it was yet another person, a beginner, trying to start out making money online, and they wanted to choose the topic of how to make money online. It's a common thing a lot of beginners do, and I think it just seems just like the right thing to do because you can't think of a topic that you want to talk about. So since you're trying to make money, you might as well choose a topic on how to make money, right? But the problem with that is, number one, making money online is a topic that's very broad and it's very saturated. If you do a Google search right now for make money or make money online, there are millions and millions of sites. First of all, why would you even want to compete with all of those people? I certainly wouldn't. Second, and this is the most important reason you should steer clear from this topic, if you've never made money yourself, why would you create a site trying to tell other people how to do the same? People are not going to buy products or sign up for programs you recommend until they respect you, until they believe that you're a credible source, until they trust you. So if you can't do anything different from what's already out there and prove to people and show your paychecks and prove, hey, I'm making $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 a month, this is how you do it. If you cannot do that, then your site is just going to get lumped in with all the other millions of how to make money sites. And have you ever noticed that a lot of these sites look the same? You can usually tell when it's done by a beginner because the information is very vague. There's usually ads everywhere. You see more ads than content. And the person is generally more interested in putting up ads and affiliate links than they are decent content. And the content is always, this is how you're going to make money online. First, sign up with this program and after 3 weeks you'll make money. It's just, people they're not going to believe you. And, I'm one to talk because I actually tried to do this too when I first started. I remember my very first site, it was about how to market online, how to market your site and how to get traffic and how to make money when I wasn't making much myself. So guess what? The site didn't go anywhere. I didn't start making good money until I started creating sites on topics that I was passionate about. Topics that I had experience with, where I can add my own voice and throw my own unique spin into it. That's when I started seeing success. Building a site on how to make money when you aren't making any is almost like building a site on how to repair a car when you've never repaired a car in your life. Can you imagine how boring that would be? Can you imagine how just distant and vague that site would look? You first of all have to go, I guess, probably copy other people's content and rephrase it so it looks like it's in your own words. And because you have no experience and no interest, your site just comes off as another boring, bland information site, and you probably get tired of updating it after a while because you're not into the topic. So it's much better to choose something that you have a passion for. Maybe there's a hobby, maybe there's a skill that you have, maybe there's even a TV show that you enjoy watching, something that you could write about for hours and hours or talk about for hours on end. It shows up in your writing. You can definitely tell the difference between someone who's created a site just for money versus someone who maybe wants to make some money, but they still have that passion and their content just really draws you in because you can tell that they've had experience with it. So again, I say, take it from someone who's made that mistake. Create a site on something you love. Make the money by drawing traffic, targeted traffic to your site, then tell people how to make money online. And that's what I do now. Now that I've learned, I do have a site on a section on my site that tells people how to make money. If you go to TwoCreateAWebsite.com/money, you do see information on how to make money online. But I did that after I started making money, and I show proof of what I've done to build my online income. And now I'm making sales because people are seeing that, okay, this girl knows what she's talking about. She's actually making a living online now, so she seems more like a credible source to me. I trust her information, so therefore I'm going to buy the products that she recommends. That's the way to do it. So I hope I've changed your mind if you were thinking about building a site on how to make money. It's much easier to do a topic on something that you're passionate about. It'll be more fun too. So take care, good luck with your site, and have a good day. Bye-bye.